Alright, we here at the Carlee Hotel, and welcome to Say City Escalators Productions mini hotel tour. Look at this beautiful lobby. This is cool. There's your front desk. Nice couch with a poster. Over there are the elevators. Let's go ride it. Before we go ride it, there's your breakfast. Here's your breakfast area. Like every in the morning, like 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Alright, let's go ride the elevators. Let's ride it. These are Otis Gen 2 with Series 4 fixtures. Jim Lee elevators and Noah Osinoi's Cars and Elevators 930. Both filmed here before. Long time ago. It's going to be this one right here. Here it is. Yep, these are Gen 2s. It's 22. The doors are very slow. Let's go to 22. Here we go. Whoa, these are fast. Gear 22. Forgot something. The 10th floor on the indicator. Alright, let's get a view. Alright, and here's your view of the city of Downtown Margaritaville, America. A lot of buildings. Alright, let's go back down. Here we go. That's in the sound. Let's get the same elevator. Go back down the ground floor. Here are buttons, Series 4 fixtures. It's an Otis. They're missing a... Forgot something. The 21st floor. Also 2. Here are the ground floor. Let's see one more look view of the lobby. Alright, let's exit the hotel. See, there's your name right there. That's the name of the hotel. Carlee Hotel. Alright. Alright, stay tuned for more hotel tour videos soon. Because next 2 days, I'm going to Carriage Park Garage. 2 days on Wednesday. Because tomorrow, there's going to be a monthly test of Nebraska. The emergency broadcast system or alert system. A monthly test, a required monthly test at 10 a.m. on my great camera. So, with all that being said, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. That's it, and thanks for watching.